Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some banana fritters. I do mine a lot smaller than they are typically done. I do them like really mini, so you'll see them soon. But yeah, we're gonna jump straight into the video. The measurements for this one might be a little bit... Actually, there's no measurements for this one because I don't usually measure it. But I'll show you what ingredients I'm using. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with 4 ripe bananas. They're the big type. They're long, I guess. So I guess they're full-size bananas. We got 1 banana. Two. What this string? Usually they're done when the bananas are more riper, but these are ripe enough. Okay. I'm gonna take a fork. You can use a hand masher or potato masher, whatever it's called. And you just smash your bananas, pretty much. Okay, so after your bananas are mashed up, I'm gonna add some sugar to the mix. You can use any type of sugar that you want to. I'm just going to use white sugar. Again, I'm not using any measurements. I'm just eyeballing. And also, when I'm finished mixing up the mixture, I will fry one to make sure it's the texture as I want it and that it's sweet enough. And if it's not sweet enough, I add some more sugar to the mixture and then test another one again. And then I go from there. So we added some sugar. I'm gonna add some vanilla extract as well. And we're gonna mix that up. Then I'm gonna add some cinnamon and some nutmeg. And we're gonna mix that up as well. You can use honey to sweeten it. You can use sugar, syrup, whatever sweetener you want to use. However, when you use honey, you will need a lot more honey if you really want it sweet, if your bananas are not ripe enough. Next, we're gonna add our flour. And I'm gonna get a plate. Get some more napkins because my napkins are finished. And I need a spoon as well. So we're going to switch from our fork. The fork will be used to fry the fritters, and then the spoon will be used to mix it and to also put it in the pan. So yeah, and I'm just mixing everything up. This is how it's looking so far. Yeah. flour to the mixture. Not too much. And I'm gonna add my oil to the pot so it can start heating up. If I can get my oil open. I'm using olive oil. You can use like canola oil or whatever oil you have or want to use. This might take a while, so I'm gonna just hang this upside down. Now. I'm gonna mix this up. So I'm not adding too much flour to the mixture, but this is how the mixture is. Pan. So this will be my tester also. This is like how small I usually do my fritters. Also, when you make banana fritters, you can also fry like canned sausage and eat the fritters with the canned sausage. I forgot to buy some canned sausage at the supermarket, so we're gonna be doing without it today. And also, I like my fritters to be nice and crispy at the end, so I like to make mine a little bit burnt. I don't make all of them burnt because I do make some for my sister as well, so I make some burnt and some not so burnt. And yeah. So we're frying the first one, we're gonna taste it, and then after I taste it, I'll decide whether or not I want to add more sugar or if I want to just fry the rest. Okay, so it took me a while to get the napkin, but it started to burn a little bit. So I'm gonna show you like, oops, I can't get it out. It's like this is how brown it is. It's an awkward position to be in. So we're gonna just put this on a napkin. I'm gonna dry it or get rid of some of the excess oil with the other napkin. Let's grab her. So this is her. Focus. And that's how tiny I make mine. And we're gonna break her apart. Inside is still a little like moist. That's how I like it. I think she's sweet enough, so I won't add any more sugar or flour. So we're just gonna fry the rest. But put in wafers. So let's turn our stove back up and fry away. like I said, I just showed you a shot of the fritter. When it's moist inside, you don't put a lot of flour. If you don't want it that moist, then you add more flour so it wouldn't be that moist. But I think you should try the moist one first before you try the not moist one. But yeah. And there you have it. These are the fritters.